students, welcome to this ICT Grade 8 learning session on computer operations and fundamentals. Today we will learn about the features of some output devices. This video lesson will cover what an output device is, examples of output devices, the features of some output devices. Then we will have a quick test followed by a recap of the lesson. What is an output device? An output device is any hardware that is used by the computer to give us information in a suitable form. Computer output may be in the form of text and graphics displayed on a screen, sound which can be heard from speakers, or printed text and graphics on paper. Some examples of output devices are the monitor, the printer, speakers, headphones, and the video projector. As you have noticed, there are many output devices. Each one has its own characteristics and displays data in a different manner. Therefore, the selection of an output device depends on the type of output that will be generated by the computer. Now let us examine the features of some output devices. The monitor is a very common output device. It is also called a visual display unit. It is used to display text, graphics, and video on a screen. There are two types of monitor, the CRT monitor and the flat panel monitor. As you can observe, the CRT monitor is bulky and takes up a lot of space, whereas a flat panel one does not take much space and can easily be moved. Another common output device is the printer. It is used to transfer text and graphics from the computer onto paper. There are different types of printers. One type of printer is the dot matrix printer. It is an impact printer which produces low-quality printouts. Moreover, it is noisy and slow in operation. It forms characters on paper by striking pins against an inked ribbon. The dot matrix printer can produce carbon copies of printouts using special paper. It is used in banks, retail outlets, and offices to print multi-part stationery. Another type of printer is the inkjet printer. It is a non-impact printer which produces good quality printing. It is faster than the dot matrix printer and is quiet in operation. The inkjet printer forms characters and graphics by spraying drops of liquid ink on paper. It is used at home and in offices where few printouts are needed. A laser printer is a non-impact printer that uses a laser beam together with ink powder called toner to transfer text and graphics onto paper. The laser printer produces high-quality printing and is quiet in operation. Since it is very fast, it is used in offices where high volume of printing is required. The 3D printer is different from the other printers. It is a computer-aided manufacturing device that creates three-dimensional objects. 3D printing is done by building up the object layer by layer. Plastic or other material may be used. A plotter is a device used to print large high-quality drawings using refillable pens. It is used by designers, engineers, map makers, and architects to produce giant posters, building plans, and maps. More examples of output devices include speakers, which are devices used to output sound from a computer. They are used during multimedia presentations and for entertainment. Headphones allow a user to listen to audio files privately. A video projector is a device that displays enlarged images from a computer onto a screen, a wall, or other surface. A video projector may be used in business meetings, at school, at home, and other places where a large screen presentation would be beneficial. Now, students, let us do a quick test to evaluate what you have learned today. Read the following statements carefully and say whether they are true or false. You will have a few seconds to give your answer. Number 1. A video projector is used to show a presentation on a large screen so that everyone in the room can see it. True or false? The answer is true, as a video projector is used to show a presentation to a large audience. An architect uses an inkjet printer to print very large building plans. True or false? The answer is false, as a plotter is used by architects to print large drawings. A laser printer can produce carbon copies of printouts. True or false? The answer is false, as it is the dot matrix printer that can print carbon copies of printouts using special paper. A laser printer is very slow and makes a lot of noise. True or false? The answer is false. The laser printer is quiet in operation and produces high-quality printing at a very high speed. Dear students, this is the end of our quick test. I hope that you were able to get all the correct answers. Now it is time for a recap of today's lesson. An output device is a piece of hardware used by the computer to give us information. Information can be heard, displayed on a screen, or printed on paper. Examples of output devices include monitors, printers, speakers, headphones, and video projectors. The selection of a suitable output device depends on the type of output generated by the computer. Dear students, thank you for your attention. I hope that you have enjoyed today's lesson. Goodbye and see you soon.